Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is prepositional phrase 26. The prepositional phrase today is by all means. Okay, let's take a look at the note here. When someone says by all means, it is used to emphasize ideas of certainly, definitely, absolutely, etc. So by all means, like certainly you could do it, definitely you could do it, or yeah, that's okay, no problem, by all means. It stresses the point that someone really meant it. It stressed that someone really meant it or someone really means it. Yeah, definitely. I'm honest about this. By all means, don't even think about it. Or it can also be used to express the idea that one does not need to feel guilty about something. Yeah, by all means, don't have any thoughts of guilt or anything. That's okay. By all means. Okay, let's continue. It is also a direct opposite to by no means, basically meaning definitely not or in no way. Yeah, actually, even after this video, I did a video before on by no means, and it would be a good idea to watch that one and compare the two because they are direct opposites. Okay, let's continue. It first started to appear in English around the 1500s. Means by itself can also mean basically to like the word ways or method. So by all means, in all ways or by all ways, and by no means, by all methods. So it kind of has that idea behind it. All right, let's continue, and we have three examples here, and each one of these is an A-B part. All right, here's the first one. Do you mind if I think it over for a while? It may be somebody made another person an offer, and they're not sure they want to accept it for a while. And it says, by all means, take as much time as you like. Yeah, really, take as much time. So by all means. Number two here. Would it be impolite to ask for a second piece of cake? And, of course, B answers, no, of course not. By all means, take as much as you like. So this is another one where, don't feel guilty about it. They really mean it. Yeah, I want you to enjoy yourself. Have as much as you like. And number three here. Can I give my take on this? Remember, we say somebody's take means somebody's opinion on something. And B answers, by all means, I value your opinion. Yeah, so you could definitely tell me. So certainly, absolutely, tell me whatever you think. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.